From one that sells anything you show it, to a negotiator super hyped to get you a better deal. The following GPT analyzes stock and cryptocurrency charts off of one screenshot to give you suggestions on whether you should make moves or not. The next GPT is one of my favorites. It's a specialized photo critique that actually studies your photos and gives feedback on composition, overall creative concept, and even technical aspects, guys. I actually tested it with one of my videos screenshot to improve my cinematography. And I was honestly very impressed by the improvements it suggested. It felt like legit professional advice. It's like having a super talented photographer as a 24/7 tutor. Pretty intense. But if you'd rather get help making money selling stuff online, just upload a picture of the thing you want to sell and this GPT will set you up with pricing and a basic description to get you started. I personally think that this can be a great tool for e-commerce sellers to potentially boost their sales or at least get those listings going much faster. And it can also be great for people who just want to make extra money by getting rid of the things they no longer want. It's okay, I won't sell you, I promise you. $12? The next GPT turns your drawings into unbelievable AI art. This is a super fun tool for artists who want to quickly test concepts or those of us who just want to see what happens. And of course, there's a GPT that turns you into a Simpsons character when you upload your picture.
Ay, caramba!
There's also a GPT that creates stunning personalized logos by giving an actual mini consulting session in which it asks you very specific questions about your needs and specific taste. And honestly, the results I've gotten have been pretty stunning, but not as stunning as my desert rose plant used to be. Thankfully, Plant Doctor provides a complete analysis based on actual pictures of your plants. So in this case, we actually compare the GPT's feedback to that of our local plant expert or the guy at the local plant shop, and both of them agree that we need to do quite a few things, but most importantly, add rocks to our soil. So we're gonna follow the advice. And we'll see what happens later. Another advice we'll consider to make extra money is these GPTs, which negotiates for you to get you a much better deal. The negotiator is out to get you a better salary, better car price, resolving a conflict, and it even provides lessons to help you master the art of making a deal. So as an annoying content creator, I tried it with paid brand deals as an example, and I must say it handled it like a pro. The questions were on point. The questions were all about my very specific needs, pretty wild stuff. Wild. And by the way, if you try it, I would love for you to come back and share your experience. I don't care if it was like hell. I'll be extremely grateful towards your spirit, your soul, your algorithm, your you. So yes, thank you so much for sharing. Thank you. Now, if you need help selling or renting a house, there's absolutely a GPT for you. Give this one your property's photos and watch it build listings that are super helpful to newbies and can be serious help for seasoned realtors. With all the selling and listing you'll be doing, you'll probably be drowning in files. So I got you Convert Anything. This GPT quickly converts PDFs, images, audios, and videos into a variety of alternative formats with just a few clicks. Not a bad idea to keep nearby. The next GPT turns this into creative recipe suggestions based on your actual ingredients. I tested it for breakfast and it was amazing. But you know what else is amazing? These AI tools right here. These are AI tools that are wild, that are incredibly entertaining. And I'm asking you, why stop watching when you can just click on this and we can continue to have fun? Let's go. Screw everything else. Just click. I dare you. Click. I dare you. I dare you. I'ma dare you.